welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael, and if you look around, this is my little kitchen. And welcome back. And today, guys, sometimes I don't know what kind of like new recipe I can make for you guys. So if you guys want to start like asking me if I can make this or that, something that is not, too expensive, I can go ahead and make it. But sometimes I run out of ideas. But I saw these little Cornish hens in the supermarket, and they're only $3.99. And if you're like in a diet, you know what I'm saying, or you want to try to lose weight, or it's only you, or if you're having a party, you can buy like a little chicken for everybody and serve it. So what I'm gonna do now, I want to leave it here so you guys can see it. So these are like $3.99, and if you don't have money, you can buy yourself one of these. Oh, sorry. You can buy yourself, guys, one of these. I don't know what's wrong with my scissors. Doesn't want to cut. It's okay. I'm just going to rip it. You get yourself one of these, and that's about it. You can eat it with a tomato, with a cucumber, with a little bit of lettuce. A big head of lettuce, guys, is only 89 cents. This is all the guts of it. So if I open the little chicken, you see it? Look how tiny it is. It's like a baby chicken. Isn't that wonderful? And this is the little old neck over there. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, I'm going to rinse it off really quick. Rinse, right?
That's right.
And now I'm going to put it on top of this paper towel because I'm going to dry. I'm going to try to soak as much water as I can from it. Okay?
Why do you do that?
Because you got to take the water out because I'm going to sear it. And then after I sear it, I'm going to throw it in the oven and finish it in the oven. Now follow me. Okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it in the middle. Because when I cook it, okay, my knife is going to work because I just want to open it, guys, like this.
That's right.
See? I cut it in half, but I just want to open it like this. See?
Yes.
And this is what I wanted just to do. So now what I'm going to do is, I don't think I'm going to use any of that stuff. I threw out the insides of it. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put it over here. And I'm going to take this garlic. I took 2 cloves of garlic.
Rub it in.
Because I'm going to put it over there on the stove and sear it.
That's right.
But before I do that, guys, I'm going to marinate this. So what I'm going to do is, see?
Pepper.
On both sides. Pepper. A little bit of salt.
All right.
On both sides, on the top and inside. And the little pollo, you want to put your salt because then it has to taste good. And I don't like making anything without oregano. But
that's right.
It just has that nice
oregano.
flavor. I'm gonna eat this with a boiled plátano that I'm boiling. I got going over there on the stove.
Yep, take a look, everyone. Zoom in.
And then take a little bit of olive oil.
You want to put it on both sides or just one side?
Both sides.
Okay.
And then I'm going to leave the last one, that little bit, for later. And now what I'm going to do, guys, we're going to bring this over here. I'm going to turn this on high. I'm going to put a little bit more olive oil in here, just like that, because this is where I'm going to sear. And as soon as this is hot, we'll be right back so you can see me searing this. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. It's almost very, very hot. Not that hot, but you can see it, right, Mike? Put your hand there and you tell me what you think. I think it's getting very hot. So what I'm going to do, guys, because I'm just going to sear this, I'm going to put this, you can hear it. I'm going to put that there like that to get some color. We're going to put this on the top, on high all the time, because we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. And this little bit of seasoning that I took out, that little Cornish hen, right?
That's right. A whole Cornish hen.
I'm going to put it back inside it when this is brown, okay? We're going to come back when this is brown on the other side, right before I flip it so you can see it. We're going to put it on the other side, or we're not going to come back. We're going to make a video of me turning in it so you can see it, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Brown on that side, and then we'll come back when this side, that is, you can see now with your eyes, we're flipping it and it's nice and all color on the other side. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be right back with this delicious recipe of a miniature Cornish hen. Yeah, turning it to the other side, but I'm just putting a little bit of that olive oil and grease that is coming out of my little Cornish hen. So with tongs, I'm gonna go like this. Okay, you don't want to rip your pollo. There you go. This is all we're gonna do now. We're gonna put this on the top, and we'll be right back. And again, don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna pull it out.
Pulling out, pull it
Now,
out.
as you can see, you got your little brown spots there. That's why we wanted to get out of it. And now the rest of that oil, back up while you're doing this, guys. Just be careful. If you don't know what you're doing, then don't.
Don't try it at
Have a
home.
little bit of olive oil like in a thing, separate. And this is going in the oven at 400 for 20 minutes, Mike. Or you want to do 25?
Thought you said you were gonna do 30.
30, okay. I think 30 is too much, but let's see. And then by eye, I'm gonna keep an eye on it. So cook time, 30 minutes. Come on. And there you go. So with that, guys, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and look for us. And we'll be right back in half hour. And we're gonna take this beautiful Cornish hen and I'm gonna serve it over my sweet plátano that I'm boiling over here, as you can see. You know, so by the time we come back, that's gonna be done. The plátano, I'm gonna have it mashed. We're gonna take my Cornish hen, put it on the top, delicious, and I'll present it to you. You guys can try to copy, and it's very, very easy. One person, $3.99. Hey, you know, anybody can do that. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. 8, 7. Hi guys, and thanks for coming back. And as you can see, we're like 3, 2, 1 second, and here we go, taking that little Cornish hen out. Beautiful. And it has enough oil that I can drip on top of my plátano that I made. That is absolutely amazing. Let me tell you something. Excuse me, Michael. Let me put this over here. Can you tell the dogs like to not be there? Because I really don't want them like getting hurt, you know, or anything like that. Let me just take one of these plates, okay?
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take one of these plates, and I am going to put, as you can look at this Cornish hens, guys. Look, cooked all the way. You don't want to overcook it because you want to like be able to taste your pollo, and you know what I'm saying. And
Wow, that smells so good.
I know it does, right? Do you want me to give you a little bit, Mike? I think,
You
guys,
might have
Michael
to, but
wants
don't cut it yet. Don't cut it yet.
I'm not gonna cut it yet.
Yeah.
But
I'm
I
gonna
just
take a
wanna,
picture.
like, yeah, take some picture, because what I'm gonna do is, hold on. If you hold on a second and give me a break here, I'm gonna put all this on top, you know? So you have to, see that little grease? That's what's gonna make this. I'm gonna turn this around now. That's garlic. And I'm gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna get a rag. Okay, let me just wipe it on the edge like that so you can take your picture. It looks beautiful, right, guys? So, guys, look. All I put there was salt, pepper, oregano, and garlic. Minced garlic. And that's it. I sear it on the stove and I finish it. Now I'm gonna eat that with this some sweet plátanos. And I think, you know what? I'm gonna cut a potato. I'm gonna cut a tomato. I'm gonna eat that with a tomato and some cucumber. Here we go. This is what I'm gonna have my chicken with. And with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on Pinterest. If you want to go to Patreon, just click right down below. And if you want to donate $1, it starts at $1. You can donate $2. You can donate 5, 10, 15, as much as you want to help the cause, which is cooking and just teaching everybody how to do what we do. And with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. And I love you all. Try to enjoy your chicken here. That it's a hen.
Your whole Cornish hen.
A Cornish hen, a whole Cornish hen. I'm gonna be eating this, and you know, it looks very appetizing. Let me just take a little bit of the thing like that, guys, so you guys can see. It's a little baby wing. You know what? It's all good. Look at that baby bone. That's how good it is. So with that, love you guys. God bless. Have a nice weekend. Love you all, and good night.